Welcome to Burkina Faso, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of West Africa. This vibrant country, landlocked between 6 others, is a treasure trove of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. With over 60 different ethnic groups, Burkina Faso is a melting pot of remarkable diversity, each tradition contributing to a rich cultural tapestry that's distinctly Burkinabe. But it's not just the culture that's diverse. The landscapes of Burkina Faso are as varied as they are breathtaking. From the rugged beauty of the Sahel region in the north with its sweeping sand dunes and sparse vegetation, to the lush tropical rainforests in the south, each turn in the road reveals a new captivating vista. And the people, warm, welcoming, and proud of their heritage. They are the heartbeat of this nation, their stories woven into the very fabric of the country. Now that we're familiar with Burkina Faso, prepare to embark on a visual journey through its most scenic spots. First stop on our journey is Ouagadougou, the bustling capital city of Burkina Faso. Ouagadougou, a city vibrantly pulsating with life, has an irresistible charm that draws you into its unique blend of urban sophistication and untouched natural beauty. At the heart of this captivating city is a thriving metropolis, brimming with a rich cultural history. As the sun rises, the city comes alive with the hustle and bustle of local markets, vibrant street art, and the symphony of diverse languages spoken by its inhabitants. The air is filled with the aroma of street food, a delightful mix of local spices and traditional recipes passed down through generations. But Ouagadougou is not just about the urban rush. It's a city that has embraced its natural surroundings, creating sanctuaries of tranquility within its busy streets. A prime example is the Banfora Urban Park, an oasis of greenery in the heart of the city. This park, whose name means the forest of knowledge, is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Spanning over 100 hectares, Banfora Urban Park is a haven for nature lovers and city dwellers alike. It's a place where people can escape the city's hustle, immersing themselves in the serenity of nature. As you wander through the winding trails, you can't help but marvel at the diverse range of flora and fauna that call this park home. The beauty of Ouagadougou lies in its ability to seamlessly blend the old with the new, the natural with the urban, creating a city that's as diverse as it is unified. It's a city that welcomes you with open arms, inviting you to explore its many wonders and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty. From the city life to the tranquil nature, Ouagadougou offers a unique blend of experiences. It's a city that tells a story, a city that invites you to become part of its narrative. So, take a moment, breathe in the vibrant energy of Ouagadougou, and let this city's grandeur captivate your heart and soul. Next, we venture into the natural paradise of Banfora, known for its breathtaking landscapes. Imagine a place where nature has been left to its own devices, sculpting and shaping the earth into a spectacle of beauty. This is Banfora, a sanctuary of natural wonder tucked away in the southwestern reaches of Burkina Faso. One of the highlights of this region is the Sindou Peaks. These dramatic sandstone formations carved by the elements over millions of years rise from the earth like the spires of an ancient cathedral. They are a testament to the raw power and artistry of nature. Walking amidst these peaks, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. But Banfora's beauty doesn't stop there. The Karfigala Falls, locally known as the Cascades, are a sight to behold. Here, the water cascades over a series of terraces, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The falls are a symphony of sights and sounds, with the water's melody harmonizing with the songs of birds. It's a place where you can let the rush of the water cleanse your spirit and rejuvenate your soul. And then there's the Dome of Ouagadougou. This unique geological formation is another example of nature's artistry. The dome, which resembles a lunar landscape, is a stunning sight against the backdrop of the African sky. It's a place where you can feel a profound connection with the earth and the universe beyond. But Banfora is more than just its natural attractions. It's a place where the rhythm of life is in sync with the rhythm of nature. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the local culture, taste the traditional cuisine, and experience the warmth and hospitality of the people. Banfora is a testament to the beauty of Burkina Faso, a country rich in natural wonders and cultural heritage. It's a reminder that our world is filled with places of extraordinary beauty, waiting to be discovered and treasured. With its stunning natural attractions, Banfora is truly a haven for nature lovers. Now we journey into the past with a visit to the mysterious ruins of Loropéni. Nestled in the southwestern corner of Burkina Faso, the ruins of Loropéni are an enigma that has fascinated historians and travelers for generations. These ancient stone walls, which span over 45 acres, are a testament to a civilization that existed centuries ago, but their builders and original purpose remain shrouded in mystery. This archaeological site, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the only one of its kind in West Africa. The ruins are believed to be around 1,000 years old, although their exact age is still a subject of debate among scholars. What is agreed upon, however, is that Loropéni was once a major hub for the production and exchange of gold during ancient times. The moment you step into Loropéni, you are embraced by an inexplicable sense of awe and wonder. The towering stone walls, some of which reach up to 6 meters in height, offer a silent narration of the past. Each stone seems to hold countless untold stories waiting to be discovered. The enigma of Loropéni is further deepened by the lack of any written records or oral traditions about its origins. Despite extensive archaeological studies, the identity of its builders remains unknown. This mystery has led to various theories, with some suggesting that the site was a fortress, while others believe it was a sacred religious ground. Yet, the absence of a definitive history does not diminish the allure of Loropéni. On the contrary, it adds to its charm. The ruins stand as a symbol of resilience, silently bearing witness to the passage of time, while keeping their secrets well guarded. Visiting the ruins of Loropéni is akin to embarking on a journey of exploration, where you are not just a spectator, but a participant in uncovering the layers of the past. Whether you are a history enthusiast, an archaeology buff, or simply someone intrigued by the mysteries of the world, Loropéni promises a unique and enriching experience. The ruins of Loropéni, a place where history and mystery intertwine. Our final destination is the serene Arli National Park, a sanctuary of biodiversity. This tranquil oasis spans over 760,000 acres, nestled in the southeastern corner of Burkina Faso. The real magic of Arli National Park lies in its inhabitants. It is home to a fascinating array of wildlife, each species contributing to the vibrant tapestry of life that unfurls across the park. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, every creature has a part to play in the symphony of nature. Among the park's many residents, elephants are arguably the most enchanting. These gentle giants roam the park in tight-knit family groups, a testament to the deep bonds they form. Their presence in Arli National Park is a beacon of hope, a symbol of nature's resilience in the face of adversity. Hippos, too, find sanctuary in the park's waters. These massive mammals are a sight to behold, their enormous bodies belying their surprisingly graceful movements in water. Their playful antics and tender family interactions provide unforgettable encounters for visitors. But the spectacle doesn't end on land or in water, it extends to the skies as well. The park is a haven for bird enthusiasts, hosting an impressive array of species. From the vivid flashes of color of the African parakeets, to the soaring majesty of the African fish eagles, the bird life in Arli National Park is nothing short of spectacular. Arli National Park's importance extends beyond its borders. It plays a pivotal role in conservation efforts, offering a safe haven for species that are under threat elsewhere. The park's existence is a testament to the power of conservation and the enduring resilience of nature. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the serenity of Arli National Park, where the rhythm of nature plays out in a symphony of life. It's a place where the wild still thrives, where every creature from the smallest insect to the largest elephant has a place to call home. Arli National Park, a place where nature thrives in all its glory. We've journeyed through the scenic wonders of Burkina Faso, each location offering a unique glimpse into the country's beauty. We've marveled at the grandeur of Ouagadougou, soaked in the natural beauty of Banfora, unraveled the mysteries of the ruins of Loropéni, and found serenity in the Arli National Park. Each destination has painted a vibrant picture of Burkina Faso's diverse landscapes, a canvas that is as rich as it is appealing. These locations aren't just geographically distinct, they're doorways into a world of culture, history, and breathtaking vistas. They beckon the curious, the adventurous, and those with an insatiable thirst for beauty. Burkina Faso is more than just a destination, it's a montage of experiences that stir the soul and ignite the imagination. What corner of the world would you like to explore next? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, liking and subscribing helps our channel to grow. Thank you for joining us on this journey.